Hello friends. So now two illustrations left of our this 7.5 partial fraction method, number 14 and number 16. Okay, so let's start example number 14. Integration x square upon x square plus 1 x square plus 4. So obviously product is x power 4, higher power is in downside. So partial fraction method and same type, same pattern type, one sum done. हमने कर लिया है बराबर. एक सम था फोर, एक क्वेश्चन 18 बराबर. क्वेश्चन 18 में 4 ब्रैकेट्स. ओके चलो, बट इन दिस सम डायरेक्टली पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन मेथड. क्वेश्चन 18 में क्या था? फर्स्ट सम स्टेप्स ऑफ द अरेंजमेंट एंड देन पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन. So in this we can start directly. Okay, so no need to explain. Taking our question x square upon x square plus 1 x square plus 4 equal to first bracket ax plus b upon x square plus 1 cx plus d upon x square plus 4. Our target A, B, C, D. We need the value of A, B, C and D. So next step, fixed step, multiplying both the sides by denominator x square plus 1 x square plus 4. Therefore here x square, okay, ax plus b into x square plus 1 cut and x square plus 4 and cx plus d into x square plus 4 cancel and x square plus 1. So this is our equation number 2, but equation number 2 is not useful for us because we cannot put any value of x from these two brackets. We have to get equation number 3. So x square equal to multiply ax cube plus 4ax bx square 4b plus cx cube plus cx dx square plus d. Now higher power x cube. So x cube, x square, x and constant. So x square equal to x cube common in a plus c. So a plus c into x cube. Now x square common. So b plus d. X common 4a plus c and constant value 4b plus d. This is our equation number 3. Now totally value a, b, c, d are unknown. We need 4 equations because we need a, b, c, d, 4 constant values. To find 4 constant values, we need 4 equations. So, same type like a plus c and a plus c, 4a plus c, ac, ac, bd, bd. Okay? चलो तो this side coefficient of x cube a plus c. This side coefficient of x cube 0. Coefficient of x square 1. Coefficient of x 0. And constant term also 0. Okay? Only coefficient of x square is 1. So comparing directly from equation 3, comparing the coefficient of x cube and comparing the coefficient of x and both 0. So a plus c equal to 0 and 4a plus c equal to 0. A plus c equal to 0 and 4a plus c equal to 0. Mini equation 1 and mini equation 2, and then x square coefficient is 1 and constant value is 0. तो b plus d equal to 1. Number 3. And number 4 is 4b plus d equal to 0. चलो ये डायरेक्टली टेकिंग द एलिमिनेशन मेथड, बिकॉज कोई भी आपको मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना है, डायरेक्टली एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन वी कैन फाइंड. ओके, टेकिंग द सब्ट्रैक्शन तो साइन चेंज, तो a माइनस 4 है, माइनस 3 है, c माइनस सी कैंसल एंड इक्वल टू 0. तो a इक्वल टू 0 एंड पुट a इक्वल टू 0 इन एन इक्वेशन. तो a 0 तो c ऑल्सो 0. A and C ready. Now, in this, same, taking the subtraction. So, B minus 4B minus 3B. D minus D cancel. Equal to 1 minus 0 is 1. So, B equal to minus 1 by 3. And putting B equal to minus 1 by 3 in this third equation. So, here putting minus 1 by 3. So, other side becomes plus 1 by 3. So, 1 plus 1 by 3, 4 by 3. Therefore, D equal to 4 by 3. A, B, C, D over. Now putting the value of A, B, C, D in equation number 1. Putting the value of A, B, C and D in equation number 1. So, equation 1. X square upon x square plus 1, x square plus 4. Equal to ax plus b. What is a? 0. 0 into x, 0. Plus b. What is b? Minus 1 by 3. Upon x square plus 1 plus cx plus d. What is c? 0. 0 into x, 0. Plus d. What is d? 4 by 3. 4 by 3 upon x square plus 4. 4 by 3 upon x square plus 4. Now taking integration both the sides. So integration x square upon x square plus 1 x square plus 4 dx equal to integration minus 1 by 3 upon x square plus 1 plus 4 by 3 upon x square plus 4 dx. And this integration continue. Here minus 1 by 3 common. How to find the integration of 1 upon x square plus 1? 1 upon x square plus 1 is a formula 1 upon x square plus a square. 1 by a tan inverse x by a, and here a is 1. So only tan inverse x plus 4 by 3. Again formula x square plus a square, and now our a is 2. So 1 by a, it means 1 by 2 tan inverse x by 2 plus c. Arranging our equation, minus 1 by 3 tan inverse x, 4 by 2 is a 2, so 2 by 3 tan inverse x by 2 and plus c. And this is our final answer, solution of example 14. Now left just one example 16. Okay. Hello. Next illustration, example number 16. X square plus x plus 1 upon x plus 2 into x square plus 1. Okay. So where is the higher power? Higher power downside. So partial fraction method, and one bracket single and one is a x square type. So method number 3, bx plus c. Okay, done. Taking x square plus x plus 1 upon x plus 2 x square plus 1 equal to a upon single bracket and bx plus c upon x square plus 1. प्रीवियस सम वहां पर गया था एग्जांपल 14 में, यहां पर भी स्क्वायर था, तो दिस वन ax plus b upon this one cx plus d upon, but here no square, so a upon, and this is bx plus c upon. Now multiplying both the sides by denominator. X plus 2 into x square plus 1. So x square plus x plus 1 equal to a into x plus 2 cancel and x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x square plus 1 cancel and x plus 2. Ready? Okay, this is our equation 2. We need three variables a, b, c, but we have the only one value x equal to minus 2. This bracket equal to 0, so x square equal to minus 1, which is not possible. So only we can find by putting x equal to minus 2 in the equation 2 only one variable, one constant value. So we need equation number 3. Okay, so x square plus x plus 1 equal to, directly multiply ax square plus a plus bx square plus 2bx plus cx plus 2c. Now arranging our equation, this product is right or not? Ax square plus a, bx square plus 2bx plus cx plus 2c. Okay, x square plus x plus 1, x square common, a plus b into x square. Now x, so here x common, so 2b plus c and constant value a plus 2c. So this is our equation number 3. Okay, now x equal to minus 2 and finding the one value. Okay, so if x equal to minus 2, putting in equation number 2, so x equal to minus 2, so this one cancel and easily a over. Okay, so but first putting left side, so minus 2 square 4 and x equal to minus 2, so 4 minus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 3. Minus 2 square 4, 4 minus 2 2 and 2 plus 1 3 equal to, here x equal to minus 2, the minus 2 plus 2 cancel and this data 0. Now this one left, minus 2 square 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5a. So a equal to 3 by 5. So now we need two more data, b and c. So comparing the coefficient of x square, so a plus b equal to 1 and putting a, b ready, and then comparing the constant value a plus 2c equal to 1, putting a and c ready, easily a, b, c all over. In equation number 3, comparing the coefficient of x square, so a plus b equal to 1. Putting the value of a is 3 by 5. Plus b equal to 1. B equal to 1 minus 3 by 5. So b equal to 5 minus 3, 2 by 5. Now comparing the coefficient of, comparing the constant value, okay, constant terms. Now in equation number 3, comparing the constant terms. So a plus 2c, and this constant, this side constant is 1, so a plus 2c equal to 1. What is a? 3 by 5 plus 2c equal to 1. 2c equal to 1 minus 3 by 5. So 2c equal to 5 minus 3, 2 by 5. So c equal to 2 2 cut and 1 by 5. Now putting the value of ABC in equation number 1. Putting the value of ABC in equation number 1. So equation 1, x square plus x plus 1 upon 2 brackets, x square plus x plus 1 upon x plus 2 x square plus 1 equal to a upon x plus 2. What is a? 3 by 5. 3 by 5 upon x plus 2. bx plus c. What is b? 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 into x plus c. c is a 1 by 5 upon x square plus 1. Now taking both the sides, integration. So x square plus x plus 1 upon x plus 2 x square plus 1 dx equal to integration of right side 3 by 5 upon x plus 2 plus 2 by 5x plus 1 by 5 upon x square plus 1 dx. No doubt in the first integration, 3 by 5 common, and integration 1 upon x plus 2 dx plus, now from this value taking 1 by 5 common only, taking 1 by 5 common, बराबर. अदरवाइज एक काम करते हैं, जो ये पहले भी ऐसी टर्म थी हमारे पास, एक्स स्क्वायर डेरिवेशन इज एक्स एंड दिस वन इज ए प्लस एक्स्ट्रा टर्म, तो सेपरेट, तो 1 इंटीग्रेशन 2 by 5x upon x square plus 1 dx and 1 by 5 upon x square plus 1 dx. Ready? So one more step and then final integration. No doubt in the first integration. Here only 1 by 5 taking outside because x square derivation is 2x. Okay? So 2x upon x square plus 1, and in this 1 by 5 taking outside and 1 upon x square plus 1 dx. Ready? So the first one is a log mode, last one is a direct formula because 1 upon x square plus a square formula. तो what about second? तो this one is a lengthy sum. तो मैंने आपको कुछ बोला था कि जहां पर आपको सपोज करना है वहां पर I1 I2 I3 आप नहीं लोगे, अब क्या करोगे? रफ वर्क. ओके, तो इतना रफ वर्क कर लेते हैं. 1 by 5 एज इट इज, 2x upon x square plus 1. आओ डायरेक्ट, x square equal to taking t, तो डाउन साइड t plus 1, तो x square equal to t, तो 2x dx equal to 1 dt, 2x dx 1 dt, तो 1 upon t plus 1 log mod t plus 1, and t is x square, तो log mod x square plus 1, answer of the middle term. Okay, तो first answer, first term answer 3 by 5 log mod x plus 2 plus 1 by 5 as it is, and ये टर्म का आपको आंसर क्या मिला? log mod x square plus 1 plus 1 by 5 और 1 upon x square plus a square, तो 1 by a tan inverse x by a is 1, तो only tan inverse x and plus c. and here our sum over method over partial fraction method over. બરાબર. You require some more practice. Solve the extra sums. First solve the textbook sums, exercise and illustrations 2 or 3 times, and then solve the extra sums. Okay. So now after this we will start our next method. બરાબર. Integration by parts. Okay. ચલો. Hello friends. So let's start our new method after completing our partial fraction method 7.5 exercise and up to 16 illustrations. Okay. So next method name is integration by parts. I think आपको एक पॉइंट याद होगा कि मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में बोला था कि देयर इज नो प्रोडक्ट रूल इन अवर इंटीग्रेशन. बराबर. अभी आपके समझ में आएगा. अभी मैं ऐसा बोल रहा हूं कि देयर इज अ प्रोडक्ट रूल पॉसिबल इन द इंटीग्रेशन, बट प्रोडक्ट रूल नहीं बोल सकते. अगर आप प्रोडक्ट रूल यूज करोगे तो आपका सम भी लेंदी होगा. हमने जितनी भी बेसिक फॉर्मूला आपको बताई कि चलो दिस इज द शॉर्टकट, एक्स्ट्रा सम्स, होल पावर 1 और नॉट, एक्स पावर 1 और नॉट फॉर्मूला सपोज करना है आपको, वो इजी है. वहां पर आप ये यूज नहीं करना है. Here 7.6 exercise is particular exercise for the integration by parts. Okay? तो मीनिंग ये तो नहीं बोल सकते कि दिस इज ए प्रोडक्ट रूल, बट प्रॉब्लम इज कि आप जैसे जैसे 7.1 देन 2 देन 3 देन 4 देन 5, तो आपको आपकी जो प्रॉब्लम थी वो बढ़ गई. 7.5 में तो क्या था कि 7.5 में आप 7.4 यूज नहीं कर सकते. बराबर. वेरी टोटली डिफरेंट एंड सम भी लेंदी हो गए. बट नाउ इन दी 7.6 वहां पर क्या होगा, कोई भी मेथड आप पॉसिबल करो, कोई पॉसिबल नहीं होगी. कोई भी मेथड अरेंज करो आप, बिकॉज देर इज ए वन रूल इन द इंटीग्रेशन कि इफ योर टर्म्स आर इंडिविजुअल एज ए प्लस माइनस देन इंटीग्रेशन इज पॉसिबल. अदरवाइज वी नीड अरेंजमेंट. यू हैव टू अरेंज, देन इंटीग्रेशन इज पॉसिबल. लाइक एग्जांपल 18. क्वेश्चन इज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ log x. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ log x क्या करोगे? डेरिवेशन ऑफ log x इज 1 by x, but there is a no particular formula for the integration of log x. बराबर. नो सेपरेशन पॉसिबल, नो मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड पॉसिबल. चलो आपको ये होगा कि डिवाइड बाय x एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय x, तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय x क्या करोगे? कॉमन थोड़ी रखोगे आप. x इज अ वेरिएबल, वी कैन नॉट टेक आउटसाइड. ओके. नाउ चलो इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स, एक्सप्लेनेशन, फॉर्मूला एंड सम रूल्स. ओके. चलो इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स, अनदर नेम इज अ यूवी रूल. u into v. बराबर. u into v रूल, uv रूल. तो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ uv dx इक्वल टू फर्स्ट वर्ड आपका क्या है? फॉर्मूला. अभी कोई नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूला नहीं होगी. चलो ये 10 फॉर्मूला से कोई भी अभी नाउ रूल्स. जो नेक्स्ट न्यू होगा वो क्या होगा? रूल्स. तो योर फॉर्मूला इज uv ना, u into v. तो हाउ टू रिमेंबर दिस फॉर्मूला? u as it is, it means no process in u. u as it is and integration of v dx. u as it is and integration of v dx. This is your first part. Minus, and next this is your second part. In the second part, integration of product. And product of these two terms, and these two terms are d by dx of u into integration of v dx. तो पहले आपको क्या करना होगा? u and v सिलेक्ट करना है and put in the formula. Select the u and v and then put in the formula. After putting the value of u and v, तो यहां पर आप क्या करोगे? इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ v माइनस यहां पर आप क्या करोगे? चलो पुटिंग हियर u हियर v, तो d by dx of u, इट मींस डेरिवेशन ऑफ u. तो एक टर्म कंप्लीट हो गई इनटू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ v, सेकेंड टर्म कंप्लीट. एंड नाउ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दिस फर्स्ट टर्म एंड सेकेंड टर्म, जो भी आपको प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा उसका आपको इंटीग्रेशन करना है. डेरिवेशन ऑफ द फर्स्ट टर्म इनटू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ द सेकेंड टर्म, एंड देन टेक द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ बोथ द टर्म्स, एंड देन इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ऑब्टेंड टर्म. रेडी? चलो दिस इज योर फॉर्मूला. वन मोर टाइम ऑफ फॉर्मूला. u as it is integration of v dx minus main integration. Two terms are d by dx of u into integration of v dx and whole dx. Whole dx is for your main integration. Ready? Done? One more time formula. U as it is integration of v dx minus main integration. Two terms are d by dx of u into integration of v dx and main integration whole dx. चलो ना बस आपको जो भी कोई आपका क्वेश्चन होगा बराबर जस्ट सिलेक्ट द u out of two terms. Select u first. After selection of u, then next term is your v. But select u first. Okay? u आपको पहले सिलेक्ट करना है. तो now this is the order. To select the value of u. L-I-A-T-E. L-I-A-T-E. कोई भी सम में अगर log है log तो log is your u. L means log. पहले ये बात कर लेते हैं. चलो L means log. I means inverse. बराबर. A means algebraic. X, Y, X square, X cube. T means trigonometry. And E means exponential. Okay? तो like if your question log x into e raised to x. So out of these two, which one is first? According to this order, which one is first? So log is first. Okay, so this is our u. The rest value is v. X into e raised to x. Out of these two, which one is first? X is algebraic and e raised to x is an exponential. So obviously LIA. So algebraic first and then exponential. So this is our u and this is our v. X into sin x. Okay, x is algebraic a, sin is a trigonometry t. So LIA and trigonometry t तो बाद में है. बस just select the u. Okay, so LIATE is your order to select the value of u. The term बराबर u term. Okay. चलो log x. For integration of log x is not possible. Direct formula not possible. Okay. So now we can find the integration of log x by using UV rule. बराबर. चलो. तो here no two terms. Okay. तो क्या करना है आपको? Write this log x into 1. हमें तो u सिलेक्ट करना है. Next term is our v. अगर कोई भी next term नहीं है तो 1. Okay. तो here this question is log x and into no term तो 1. But ये log x integration not possible, so we are using here integration by parts. अगर कोई भी possible है तो आपको possible मेथड ही करनी है. 7.5 में आप इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स नहीं कर सकते यूवी रूल. बराबर. ओके. चलो तो लेट u इक्वल टू log x and no other value, so v equal to 1. There is no another value, so v equal to 1. Okay, u is log x. Log x is the first value, so u is log x and v equal to 1. Okay. Now integration u v dx. First every time put the formula first. So u as it is integration of v dx minus integration bracket d by dx of u into integration of v dx bracket over and whole dx. Done? So equal to u is a log x and v is a 1. So this side log x into 1. It means log x dx equal to, now putting the value of u and v just. No integration, no derivation, just we are putting here u and v values. So u is a log x. So log x into integration of 1 dx minus integration bracket d by dx of u means log x into integration of 1 dx bracket over whole dx or log x as it is into integration of 1 is a x minus this integration as it is, because we can apply this integration after completing these two terms. तो d by dx of log x is 1 by x into integration of 1 is x dx and r carefully कहीं पर भी कहीं पर d by dx है कहीं पर इंटीग्रेशन है दोनों यूज करना है आपको ओके चलो सो दिस इज x into log x minus integration x cancel and 1 dx so x into log x minus integration of 1 is x and plus c this is the final answer otherwise x common so bracket log x minus 1 and plus c chalo this is the integration of log x dx answer barabar understood perfectly okay done let's start our exercise number 7.6 okay question number 1 x into sin x think about this any method possible x into sin x no separation no in this we can not take any term equal to t अगर यहाँ पर x square है तो x square equal to t तो 2x dx या तो 7.3 में था but there is a only x okay तो UV rule product of two terms let u equal to algebraic and trigonometric LIA algebraic and then t okay u equal to x and v equal to sin x equal to this integration uv rule okay equal to u as it is integration of v dx minus integration d by dx of u into integration v dx and whole dx okay this is only formula u and v dx minus integration d by dx of u into integration of v dx whole dx now just putting the value of u and v what is u x integration v is a sin x minus integration d by dx of u so d by dx of x into integration of v means sin x dx and whole dx ready okay so now x into integration of sin minus cos d by dx of x is 1 into integration of sin minus cos dx बराबर minus x cos x minus minus plus and this is integration of cos x dx equal to minus x cos x plus integration of cos is sin and plus c and this is the solution of your question number 1 चलो यहां पर ही कर लेते हैं क्वेश्चन 2 बराबर टेक नंबर 2 x into sin 3x hello same one function is a x other is a 3x so let u equal to x and v equal to sin 3x okay चलो तो uv rule formula u as it is integration of v dx minus integration bracket d by dx of u into integration of v dx bracket over and whole dx now putting the value of u and v what is u x integration sin 3x dx minus integration d by dx of u what is u x so this is our bracket d by dx of u and u means x into integration v is a sin 3x dx bracket over and whole dx Ready? Equal to x as it is into integration of sine 3x bracket minus cos 3x by 3 minus main integration d by dx of x 1 into integration of sine 3x minus cos 3x by 3 and this integration dx. Understood? Now this is minus x by 3 into cos 3x minus minus plus 1 by 3 taking outside and integration of cos 3x dx. So minus x by 3 integration cos 3x plus 1 by 3 integration of cos sine. So sine 3x by 3 and plus c. So minus x by 3 cos 3x plus 1 by 9. 1 by 9 sine 3x plus c. Okay? चलो तो 1 and 2 over. चलो एक थर्ड सम बाकी रखो. बराबर? अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक है देन चेक कि थर्ड सम इज एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू ई रेस टू एक्स ना, तो उसके लिए पहले मुझे आपको एक एक्स्ट्रा सम करवाना पड़ेगा एक्स इंटू ई रेस टू एक्स, देन एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू ई रेस टू एक्स इज पॉसिबल. ओके, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 ले लेते हैं. ठीक है, क्योंकि ओनली लॉग एक्स तो हमने कर लिए. डन. चलो लेट u इक्वल टू obviously log x, first term, first is log x and v equal to x. Done? Now first one is a formula. What is the u formula? U as it is integration of v dx minus integration d by dx of u into integration of v dx, this bracket, and whole integration means whole dx. Now putting the value of u and v, what is u? Log x integration v is a x dx minus integration d by dx of u is a log x, so d by dx of log x into integration v dx, v is a x and whole dx. So log x into integration of x is a x square by 2 minus integration d by dx of log x is a 1 by x and integration of x is a x square by 2 and whole dx as it is. So this is x square by 2 into log x minus this 2 outside, it means 1 by 2 outside, integration x square by x, so one time cancel and one time x left. So final step, x square by 2 into log x minus 1 by 2 x is a x square by 2 and plus c. So x square by 2 log x minus x square by 4 and plus c. 1, 2 and 4 over. एक सम आपको होमवर्क में करना है. ठीक है, चलो चेक इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक कि नंबर 6. ओके, नंबर 6 में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. डन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, इंटीग्रेशन एक्स स्क्वायर लॉग एक्स. ओके, तो 4 sums of our exercise over. चलो, we will solve more sums of this exercise in our next lecture. Okay, चलो.